Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
Open the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the 5 fasteners that secure the housing. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter from the housing. Clean out any debris in the housing. Install your new AF5193 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Once the filter is fully flush with the edges, close the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.